This is Ngobo 2010 Shop I channel. Thank you so much for making sure that you support the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. For breaking news, please visit our website www.ngobo2010shopi.com. Eitara. This is Ngobo 2010 Shop I channel. We are here at FNB Stadium. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Marumo Gallants 2. My brother, how's it?
Yaphila bhuti khuluma noXolo.
Thank you, wakuphi?
Ngikhuluma noXolo lapha eThembisa bhuti wami.
Thank you.
Bhuti into eyenzakalayo necoach ayizami ukustrike i-team le. But ama-players ay-Chiefs la kuhlala kukhulunywa ngakuxoshwa ama-coach ngawo oNgcobo Mashiyane ngamanye angistars nama-27 years. To me questionable le khona. Ulo une-9 years akhona ka-Kaizer Chiefs kuthiwa mbani we-goalkeeper uvuma it's 9 years akhona kathi yeah it's 9 all to 10 alapha from development ama-players for abuya ka-Chiefs ne-scouting sakhona siyabheda I don't wanna lie khona omunye ohambe wathathwa kuthiwa mbani uTerra uhambe walanda i-hip-hop artist uMorris ukuthi kona eze-team nethu lapho understand lapha kumele sidinge into esinganayo angigwenye zingadlala kithi abantu abanjengabo Newa umkhulisi kithi bengadlala lapha nothi nini bengibona abantu bethu kona sifuna undula simnidi lapha sinama players anjengoNduli enye into icoach ayihlali ingavayi iqede contract yakhe number 2 ke kwaxoshwa uArthur ku number 5 aphuma ama semi final same people baxotsha uArthur khona la le team phela uArthur bengalazi players bedlala ngezintwana zena lezi omduwo bana dlala ngezintwana samxosha yes icoach ayiqedelela icontract yakhe but ama players asayinwayo kumele abhekwe yabona lesi i-scout esikhona ka-Chiefs asinamsebenzi chance bheka intwana ze-DDC uyakhona ukumbona umuntu odlala ebhuqu umuntu engadlala ka-Chiefs ungamlandi nje fethu odove balandiwe Captain City ba-offloadile laba bantu banama-main injuries siyabalanda thina ka-Chiefs manje kunenye ingwenye edlala eTanzania kuthiwa yes ikuscore 19 le ngwenya yingwenye engadlala ka-Chiefs uyayibona kona idlala kanjani Mayele not Mayele kuthiwa Salum.
Oh, Salum, yeah.
Yes, yeah, midfield. Ingwenye ingadlala because in manje le ngwenye score 4 goals. Assist 9. How many goals ezenzile?
Yeah.
Ka Chiefs kunabantu nje. Fethu oNgcobo kunanto abangasenzela yona. Ya ucele ise direction right.
Yeah.
Yes. Userino manje semdala senani ange sikhona inye direction right semdala. Kumele ufuneke ku-structure le team not kona i-team ezowina. Le team mina ngiwari ukuthi kona noma neNedbank ngayiwina. I-team engalasta hayi Nedbank azingali singangihamba siyayiwina but i-team engalasta how many years
Don't you think ukuthi kuyiwina kwenu iNedbank at least inganivusa
ayivusi next but manje siya ku-federation
anifuni
mina ukuthi bengayiwina but i-Chiefs i-team efuna ukuthi wona iwine 1 knockout na team le phela iko structured but
Thank you.
le team le
but don't you think ukuthi iNedbank Cup kuzoba start
not really
so uthi mabadliwe awakhuthazi
ngeke ngathi kona ngabakhuthazi bengawini
at least banikeze that thing ukuthi
but manje i-team yes I win i-team le mayingawina phela ezi team le next year ku Federation Cup kungalazi players kanje kuthi uzabe sigijimisa o number 13 14
asithembe ukuthi njengoba i-window period izovula bazothenga
abangeke since kulalo mfana okhona lo we-scout ongazi next uTerra uzohambela nda manje uhambe wala kunelinye players elizobuya suka kumtsipe league kuthiwa liza ku-Chiefs liscore 4 goals likhona lizoza manje uTerra kayazi ama-scout alandwayo manje kulandwa ama-scout kona hayi wena ngazi bani akulandwa umuntu othi kona leli play lingadlala ka-Kaizer Chiefs
yes For breaking news, please visit our website www.ngobo2010shopi.com. Eitara.